Hey everyone, welcome back to Boy Tutorials. If you're new here, we create easy-to-follow tutorials to help beginners master digital tools and online businesses. Today, we're diving into Amazon KDP, and I'm going to walk you through how to choose profitable niches for low and medium content books, even if you're starting from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step plan to pick niches that can make money, suit your skills, and set you up for success. Plus, I'll share some free tools and tips to make it super easy. Excited? Let's jump right in. Before we start, let's cover the basics. Amazon KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing, is a platform where you can create and sell books like journals, planners, or puzzle books on Amazon without needing a publisher. You design the book, upload it, and Amazon handles the rest, like printing and shipping. A niche is the specific topic or audience your book targets, like fitness journals for gym goers or coloring books for kids. Choosing the right niche is crucial because it helps your book get noticed in a crowded marketplace and attracts buyers who are looking for exactly what you offer. For beginners, we'll focus on low and medium content books because they're quick to create, don't require advanced skills, and can be profitable with the right approach. So, what are low and medium content books? Let's break it down. Low content books. These have minimal text like blank journals, simple planners, or log books. They're the easiest to create because you can use templates and don't need to write much. For example, a daily gratitude journal with a few prompts per page is low content. Medium content books. These have more content, like puzzle books, word searches, crosswords, coloring books, or guided journals with detailed exercises. They take more effort but face less competition, so you can charge higher prices and stand out more easily. Both types are perfect for beginners because you don't need to be a professional writer or designer. You can create them with free or affordable tools, and they're a great way to learn the KDP process while earning money. Now let's get to the main part: how to choose a profitable niche for your Amazon KDP book. I've broken this down into 6 simple steps that anyone can follow, even if you've never done this before. Step 1. Start with evergreen niches. The best niches for beginners are evergreen, meaning they're always in demand no matter the season or trend. The top 3 evergreen niches are health, wealth, happiness. In health, people always want to improve their fitness, track their diet, or manage medical conditions. Examples include workout logs or blood pressure trackers. In wealth, everyone wants to organize their finances or save money. Think budget planners or bill payment checklist. In happiness, people love books that inspire joy or personal growth, like gratitude journals or travel bucket lists. These niches are profitable because they appeal to universal human needs. For example, a 90-day fitness journal ties into the health niche while a monthly savings tracker fits the wealth niche. Start with one of these to ensure there's always an audience for your book. Step 2. Decide between low or medium content. Next, choose whether to create a low or medium content book based on your time, skills, and goals. Here's how to decide. Low content. Perfect if you're new and want to start fast. They take a few hours to create using templates. For example, a simple daily planner with spaces for tasks and notes is low content and great for practice. Medium content. Ideal if you're ready to invest a bit more time for higher profits. Puzzle books or guided journals take longer but can sell for $10 to $20, compared to $5 to $10 for low content books. For example, a brain games puzzle book for seniors is medium content and has less competition. If you're unsure, start with low content to learn the KDP process, then try medium content once you're comfortable. Both can be profitable with the right niche. Step 3. Make your book unique to stand out. To succeed on Amazon, your book needs to stand out from the competition. Avoid generic books like plain blank journals, which are oversaturated and hard to sell. Instead, add value by making your book specific and useful. Here's how. For low content, create guided journals or trackers with prompts or checklists. For example, instead of a blank journal, Make a 75-day fitness challenge journal with daily prompts like "What's your workout today?" or "How do you feel?" This ties into the health niche and feels more valuable. For medium content, add a theme or angle to puzzle or activity books. For example, instead of a generic word search, create a funny word search for adults with humorous words tying into the happiness niche, or a brain health puzzle book with crosswords for seniors targeting the health niche. Adding a specific angle lets you target a smaller, less competitive audience and charge higher prices. For example, a themed journal can sell for $12.99, while a blank one might only sell for $5.99. Step 4. Use free tools to create your book. You don't need fancy software to start. For low-content books, use Canva, a free design tool to create book covers and interiors. Search for journal templates on Canva, customize them with your prompts, and make them unique to avoid copying others. For medium content books like puzzles, you can use free online puzzle generators or affordable tools like BookBolt, which costs about $20 a month. These tools make it easy to create professional-looking books fast. Step 5. Research your niche to confirm profitability. Before creating your book, make sure your niche is profitable. Here's how to research on Amazon. Go to Amazon.com and search for books in your niche, like fitness journals or word search puzzles. Look at the top 5 to 10 books in the search results. Check price. Are they selling for $10 or more? Higher prices mean you can earn more per sale. Reviews. Do they have 50+ reviews? This shows demand but also competition. Sales rank. Install the free DS Amazon Quick View browser extension to see the best sellers rank BSR. A BSR under 100,000 means the book is selling well. Analyze the covers and titles. Are they professional? Do they target a specific audience like seniors' brain games? This gives you ideas for your own book. Step 6. Avoid common beginner mistakes. To set yourself up for success, watch out for these pitfalls. Mistake 1. Creating generic books. Blank journals or unthemed puzzles are easy but face heavy competition. Always add a unique angle like a travel bucket list journal instead of a plain notebook. Mistake 2. Ignoring Amazon's guidelines. Amazon rejects books with duplicate content or low-quality designs. Customize templates and ensure your book looks professional. Mistake 3. Not testing the niche. Don't spend weeks on one book without researching. Create a simple book first, test it on Amazon, and learn what works. Mistake 4. Expecting instant sales. KDP takes time. Focus on creating quality books and learning the process. Sales will grow as you improve. By following these steps and avoiding mistakes, you'll choose a niche that's profitable and manageable as a beginner. Let's look at some specific niche ideas to spark your creativity. These combine evergreen niches with low or medium content books, monthly bill tracker notebook, a planner with checklists for bills and expenses. It's simple but sells well because people love organizing finances. Daily gratitude journal includes prompts like, "What made you smile today?" to encourage positivity. Easy to create with Canva templates. Blood pressure logbook, a tracker for daily blood pressure readings, targeting seniors or health-conscious readers. Brain health puzzle book for seniors. A mix of word searches, crosswords, and Sudoku with a brain-boosting theme. Use BookBolt or free puzzle generators. Funny word search for adults. Word searches with humorous or quirky words like pop culture references to make readers laugh. Kids activity book for travel. Mazes, puzzles, and coloring pages for kids on road trips, appealing to parents. These examples show how to take broad niches, health, wealth, happiness, and make them specific to reduce competition and attract buyers. Once you've chosen your niche, the next steps are to create your book, upload it to Amazon, KDP, and start selling. Creating the book takes a few hours with tools like Canva, and uploading is straightforward with Amazon's step-by-step process. If you want a detailed tutorial on creating or uploading your book, let us know in the comments and we'll make a dedicated video for it. That's it. You now know how to choose profitable Amazon KDP niches as a beginner. Start with one niche, create your first book, and get it on Amazon. Don't worry about perfection, just take the first step and you'll learn as you go. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. Got questions about Amazon KDP? Drop them in the comments below and we'll answer them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.